And when I saw Parvarish website, I was like, yeah, this is it. This is something I can connect with. So that's how I just kind of landed there, and I wrote to them and got in touch with me, and then things happened. I'm Dr. Vandana Mathur. I'm in Mumbai. I'm a nutritionist by profession. I'm a PhD in nutrition and now also a parenting coach. I'm a mother of two children. My daughter is almost 23 and my son is 15. And I thoroughly enjoyed doing this course, and I think all parents should do it. Yeah. Okay, so I mean, actually, there's a story to it. Malika was about 15, 16 probably, and she mentioned to me one day, and in fact, on several occasions, Mom, you should become a parenting coach. So I took it as a huge compliment, and I was like patting myself on the back silently that, oh, this is good. So I was on the lookout of a parenting coaching program, and I honestly went through several websites and things, and I was looking for something that would gel with me. And when I saw Parvarish website, I was like, yeah, this is it. This is something I can connect with. So that's how I just kind of landed there, and I wrote to them and got in touch with me, and then things happened. Honestly, I had been wanting to do this, but then you're just so busy with your everyday life that to take on something new, it just keeps getting pushed. So that's how it happened with me. Before that, I mean, I did see a lot of videos. I googled Sushant, I saw a lot of his videos and even his TED talks and everything, and it just grew on me that this is an ideology and this is an approach that gels with me. And I think this is something that is practical, which is doable, and this is something that works. So, for me personally, it is very important for me to be able to connect with something, to be able to get into it. Because if I get into it, I have to be there 100%. Otherwise, it doesn't work for me. So, I was very happy to hear him, and he was talking simplistic language, and he's like, I'm sure he's able to connect with people of all levels, like whatever their academic background would be. And he's talking stuff which I could connect with immediately, and I agreed with it. It gelled with me, and I'm like, this is something that works. So I would like to get into some program which has been designed by him. So that was the and one main thing was it was very open, upfront, honest. That is something that connected me mainly. That is the thing. Yeah. I did the NLCP here in Mumbai. Manvi had come, and it was a great experience. So, what stands out for me are two things. Part of NLCP only, it was both the things that come to my mind. First is the labeling part of it. We were supposed to come back home and do it before we went back the next day. And I did that with Anand, Malika not being here. And I realized that, yes, I mean, this labeling is something that we do all the time, and the good, bad, everything included. So we literally peeled off the labels, and I acknowledged to him and I told him that, okay, this is what I thought about you, but from today, this is not it. You're free to be whatever and everything and limitless. So that was a very emotional, experience, at that time. The other thing that stands out is when we were talking about sex education and talking about sex with children. Now, Anand at that time, I think, was 14. And with him, I had never broached the subject. And I had been telling my husband that for I don't know what reason that, okay, he being a boy, why don't you talk to him? And somehow it was getting pushed because you know how as parents, we are not comfortable talking about sex with children. So again, it was Manvi's push that, okay, kal ka ye homework hai, to karke hi aana hai, like you have to. And it was pretty late in the night and the center was like pretty far for me. I have to go back the next morning, but I have to do this. I didn't even have enough time to explain to Anuj that, okay, this is what I'm going to do. I said, you just be there. That's it. And and the whole experience was amazing. And there was no awkward moment. And this child of 14 who I thought, like, how will I approach him? So basically the awkwardness is in our mind. That all the blocks are in our mind. And he was like, even his body language, he was sitting like a cool dude on the sofa, and I'm talking to him, he's making complete eye contact with me, he's answering all my questions or giving me answers, or whatever, discussing or talking about it. So it was so comfortable. And I could see Anuj was cringing, like, a bit, once or twice, that I'm like, till where are you going to go? Like, where are you going types. But I mean, I had to do this. So it was such a wonderful experience. And like how it creates that connect, better. So that was another thing that, stands out for me in that whole program. So I would say that personally, it like overall, it has changed my approach to things, to situations, to people, you know. So there has been like a shift within. There has been a shift within. So when that has happened, it impacts all my relationships, and it impacts everything that I do, right? So whether it's personal or professional, it impacts everything, because I'm the same person everywhere, right? So one has to be a good listener. So I think my listening skills have improved, even in interpersonal relationship. I think my listening skills have improved drastically. So there has been a shift, surely, and obviously positive one and in the right direction. And I'm very happy and grateful for that. It's nice, and it's not something that other people would notice so much, but I know from within that there has been a change.